Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? How are you today?
I'm fine.
Have you had lunch today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, in this pandemic situation, you should stay healthy, wear your mask if you want to go outside, and then just stay home. Okay, Arsar Mirwan, please lead the prayer before we start our lesson today.
Before we start our lesson today, let's pray. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Arsar. For students who attend this class, please write down your name in the chat box. Everybody is here. Are you ready to start our lesson today?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. Do you still remember our previous lesson?
Analytical exposition text.
Yes. What did we learn about analytical exposition text last week?
Last week, we learned analytical exposition text. We can find analytical exposition text in scientific books, newspaper, research reports.
So today, we are going to continue about analytical exposition text. Today, we are learned about how to make analytical exposition text. Desi Ratnasari, please read the learning objective.
Mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks eksposisi.
Picture 1. What is it?
Burger.
Burger, Miss.
Okay, burger. How about picture 2? Yes, French fries. What is it?
Snacks.
Kind of this food?
Junk food.
Yes, this is junk food. What do you think about junk food?
I think it's delicious.
I think junk food is harmful for our health
Why do you think junk food is harmful for our health?
because it's low in nutrients.
I think junk food is not good for our health.
Okay, like eat junk food. Apakah kalian suka makan junk food?
Yes, I like.
Yes, like it.
Buruk.
Bad evil.
Bad effect. Okay, can you explain?
Obesity because junk food is high food with little vitamin, protein, mineral.
It can make diabetes and blood pressure.
Okay, it can make them. Delgita, what does the video tell about?
How to contract analytical exposition text.
Oh, I also sent this text last night, right? Have you read this text? Anybody want to answer my question? Why does the writer write the text?
One, to persuade the readers that internet is important to make education is getting better.
Because the first students can use internet for searching a lot of information that related with material in their school.
Okay, what else?
The second, an online education
Internet can energize the learning process because students can be more excited to learn if teachers provide fine media learning to them.
Please define the main idea of each argument paragraph. Okay. I wanna ask you, which one the argument in this text?
Kedua.
Okay, paragraph 2,
Ketiga.
3,
5, Miss.
4,
4,
and
5,
5. Okay, we come to the second paragraph. Which one the main idea?
Students can use internet for searching a lot of information that related with material in their school.
Okay.
The main idea of our argumentary is internet can energize the learning process because students can be more excited to learn if teachers provide fun media learning to them.
Should find pronoun. Okay, they.
Students.
What?
Students.
Okay, students. Nih ya, please work with your group. I will send you about the instruction. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to this virtual room. I would like you to present your discussion result.
Hello guys, I'm Christine from Group 2. I would like to present our discussion result. First, I want to read a text that we have.
Why do you choose this paragraph as first paragraph? Why?
Because we can find thesis statement here.
Okay, which one the thesis statement do you think?
English is the most used language in the title of the text, the program of compulsory 12-year education.
What have you learned today?
I have learned how to make analytical exposition text. If we want to make analytical exposition text, we should pay attention to the structure first, such a title, thesis, arguments, and reiteration, and use simple present.
If we want to make analytical exposition text, we should use simple present tense, and then we also should pay attention to the generic structure, such as the first one is thesis statement, arguments, and the last is reiteration. Okay, good job, Isabella. And then after this class, you have to finish your individual assignment on Schoology. You can do your homework assignment 4. Any question? No? So, what have you got after learning this material?
This material I have now that the sentence in the form of argument includes analytical exposition.
After learning the material, I have known how to make analytical exposition text, and I have known how to find the main idea.
Next week, we are going to learn about passive voice. Do you understand about our materials today? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
If you don't have any question, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attendance and your participation. I invite Arsar Mirwan to lead the prayer before we close our class today.
Before we end this class, let's pray. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you Arsar Mirwan and thank you students. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody.